Hello everyone, welcome to Code with India. So in today's video, I'll try to explain how to solve this LeetCode problem number 617, merge two binary trees. So we are given two binary trees and basically tree 1 and T2, and we are given access to the root nodes of both these trees, T1 and T2, right? And we need to merge them, and by merging it basically means that we need to basically cover one over the other and append them. So if both the nodes are present in the tree, basically return the sum of both the nodes. Like in this case, like we have one here, we have two here, we basically append them and return 3. Like same goes for 3 and 1, 4, 3 and 2, 5. But consider this case, the left child of 3 is 5, and in this particular scenario in tree 2, we don't have a left child for 1. So we basically return 5. And same goes for 2 in the tree 1, we don't have a right child. So we, and in tree 2, we have a right child of 3, that is 7. So we basically return 7. So in order to solve this problem, we can clearly see that we are given nodes of both these trees and we have certain cases to take care of. So the first case we basically need to take care of if the value at this particular node is null, right? Like in this particular case, the value of 3's right child is null. So basically check in the tree 2. If this is null, we return this particular node, right? And symbols and vice versa is also true if the value of the left child is null, right? So in this case, the value of one's left child is null. So basically, I'll return the left child of 3, that is 5. So two cases we have handled, and the last case basically the normal case where both the nodes are present. So both in the case that both the nodes are present, we basically need to create a new node of the sum of both the nodes, and basically then traverse the left side of that particular node and right side of that particular node. So I'll show you how to code this problem. So the base case we will handle is if T1, if both the nodes are null, we simply return null. We need not do anything. If one of them is null, like if T1 is null, we basically return T2. And if T2 is null, we return T1. So far we have handled three cases, right? So consider this. We don't have a left child for 3, we don't have a left child for 2. So basically both these nodes at this particular value will be null, so will return null. So in this case, T1 is equals to null. So if this particular case is equals to null, right? So this right child of 3 is null. So we basically return T2, 4. If T2 is null, if left child of this is null, we basically return T1, 5, right? And the last case will be simply is to basically create a new node that will be sum of both the nodes and traverse, call it for the left side of the tree and the right side of the tree. Then we basically need to return this particular node that we have created. So what will happen is 1 plus 2 will go into this, the node 3 will be created, then we will basically call this for the left child and the left child of both the nodes, and we append it to node 2, node dot left and node dot right similarly, and we return the final node that we have. So let's just run this code. It is working fine for this particular scenario. Let's just hope it does for the entire test cases that are present in this particular question. Yes, it does. So it is a very simple problem, and it was asked to me in an interview in OYO actually. So I did the entire similar thing. I told him of the entire solution, and he was quite satisfied with it. So I hope you like this solution. Thank you so much.